If Senator Malala or anybody else has accused you for doing 1, 2, 3 things, and yet we are relying on you to give us information that will guide this committee in coming up with the findings, it will be completely unfair.
David Ngutia Kuteha, this Annex 4, is actually a serving policeman, a police constable. Was he interrogated to establish whether he attended the meetings that Senator Malala alleged in both Lamada and Thika?
But I still know colleagues who don't have security, whose security was withdrawn for political reasons because they joined this political camp or the other. Many of them are from the ruling party. How far is the process of restoring security to them?
I can confirm in this house another member who has no security. I think it is not with our knowledge, and that's why I have DIG Gabo here with me. We have standard deployment for all of you.
Special Services Unit is a unit within the Directorate of Criminal Investigations, which exists as one of the subunits under the command of the Director of Operations. As such, though the DCI personnel data could not find any of the alleged purported police officers' names given in the complaint data. The alleged assassination squad does not exist in the Special Services Unit and by extension, the entire Directorate of Criminal Investigations.
But at DCI, I want to tell you that whatever is said in this house, you have asked for apology. My committee cannot do that because whatever is said in this house is privilege. Yes. And there's no way we can say that we apologize to you. But I want to say that you have done your work.